Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how you can change the mouse pointer size that you actually do have on your Windows 11 computer. Now you can see here that I actually have a pretty small mouse pointer. Now let's say I want to go ahead and change the size of that. You're going to want to head over to the settings and go ahead and type that in and go to settings. Now, once you're in the settings page, head over to Bluetooth and devices and go ahead and click on it. Now, make your way down to mouse under here. It should be right under cameras. Go ahead and click on it. Now, there's going to be a few options here. Now, don't get confused. Go all the way to the bottom underneath related settings and click on the mouse pointer setting here. Now, once you go ahead and click on it, you should be able to get the mouse pointer style customization, as well as below it, there will be a size resizer here that can actually change. Now, if I put this to the maximum, you guys can see how huge that cursor is. Hopefully, you guys see that. It's very huge, but it might be different on your screen right now, but that's how it is. But it might not be able to see. I'm looking at the recording right now. You can't really see it, but you can go ahead and change the size right here and pretty much configure it like that. So it's very easy, guys. It's super simple. But with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.